Between 1744 and 1801, over 4,000 named children were treated at the Northampton Infirmary. This was long before the establishment of the famous specialist children's hospitals we know today. I'm taking you to visit Sarah Harris, a 12-year-old girl from Great Addington near Kettering who was brought here in December 1777. Though her name was lost to history for over 200 years, Sarah was a central figure in a pioneering medical case, the first recorded hip joint amputation in England. Tragically, Sarah died 18 days after her operation, and today she has no known grave. But by restoring Sarah's name, we reclaim her humanity. We acknowledge how her suffering and her contribution as an index case provided the foundation for medical knowledge that continues to benefit others to this very day.